Hello guys, I'm Jordan, and welcome back to a brand new video on CrewElite. Welcome to the third installment of Tech Reviews and Gadgets. Today we actually are reviewing Cowin SE7 active noise canceling wireless headphones. And these headphones look pretty nice. I was just on Amazon and I found them. I think right now they're going for like around $109 on Amazon. But they have, they occasionally have some deals on them that you can get them for around $90 or about, I think it's like 80 something bucks. They have some deals once in a while. But I decided to get these and actually test these out for you guys and review them and see how good these headphones are. But before we get started, please follow us on our social media links. Follow us on social media, which are down below in the description. Also, if you have not yet done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Well, we just post, we post from tech reviews, we post our daily lives, we post reactions to videos and stuff. We do a bunch of different stuff on our channel, so please subscribe and click that bell icon to get notifications on whenever we upload. And yeah, and also if you have any products you would like to send to us, or you have a product you wanted to, recommend to us, our business inquiries email is in the description below. We also, it will be shown a couple times in this video, and you guys can email us there and tell us or send us a product that you would want us to check out. So we're gonna get started with reviewing these headphones, and yeah, right off the bat, the packaging's pretty nice. It's kind of like one of those, like, when if you get like an iPad or like an iPhone from the Apple Store, you kind of have to lift up, which is kind of nice. It's pretty sturdy. The packaging's really nice. Right off the bat, the headphones don't feel as heavy, which is pretty good because you don't want heavy headphones on your head for the whole day, But it's also recommended to not be wearing headphones for a long period of time without taking them off. So we're gonna actually open these up, and we're gonna pull this thing up. Hopefully I can get this. Here, we'll do it right here. Okay. It's actually a little tough to actually get this out. Okay, we got it out. So we're gonna put this in front of the camera so you guys can actually, check it out. And right off the bat, we got a VIP card in these headphones, and these are, it looks like it's just a VIP card. You can extend your warranty for 18 months, be first in line to test out new products, and get exclusive discounts, which is pretty nice, and you get priority support. So if I had any issues with these headphones, I would get the best support from this company, and I could register as a VIP, which is really nice. It's kind of cool. It's plastic, and yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of like a credit card almost, but it's really nice. They did a good job with this. I like it. And then this looks like you can, okay, it says send us a video or selfie with your new Cowin product to the UNISEF at CrewElite.com, and it will donate $1 to a charity, which is nice. And I'm actually gonna do this. This is actually really good. Gotta give money to charity. And then this looks like a thank you card. It just, it looks like it gives a description about the company, how they've been, how they grew their company out, and, just how they built their company. So that's pretty cool. And then this looks like a user manual, and let's see the different languages that come with these. So you got English, you got, I think that's Dutch, French, and Italian. This is a huge manual, holy cow. But this explains all the different things that come with these. Holy cow, this is actually a very huge manual. But it just explains, I'm guessing, like how to use this product, and if you have any questions, and the support and everything, and how to like turn on Bluetooth and stuff. This is actually really nice. Okay. It looks like these headphones actually come with a case. Because my last headphones that I reviewed from other companies, they didn't, really come with like a protective case. But this one came with like almost like a hard kind of shell kind of case. And the only things on the back of this box is just their social media and their support link. You guys can check it out if you needed help with them or anything. Those are the links and stuff. You guys can take a second and pause if you want to check them out. But we're gonna actually put this box aside, and actually get on to reviewing these headphones and seeing what they have to offer for us. So actually, you know what? We could just keep it here still. We might move it to the side in a second. But let's actually open these up and see these headphones for the first look. Okay. Ooh, dang. So these are the headphones. Okay. And it looks like you kind of just have to click it. Not click it, but you kind of have to like stretch it out for it to open completely. So these are the headphones from the case. And, you know, my first impressions are really sleek, you know. I would give it, like the design, I would give it a 9 out of 10. You know, right off, because I really like how sleek these are. You know, these, when I'm stretching them, they don't feel like they're gonna break on me, which is nice. So the quality is good, because if you're spending $100, you want headphones that would actually be, you know, $100 worthy. You don't want to buy $100 headphones and then find out that they are easily breakable. You want something that's actually sturdy. And I'm thinking, I think that, okay, so, wait. Oh, okay, sorry guys. Okay, so we have a baggie inside the case actually, and it looks like there's a couple cables. So there's an airplane adapter in the bag. We also have a USB cable in the bag, so you can actually charge your headphones. And then we also have an aux cable in the bag that you can use to plug in. Because remember, these headphones are wireless, but they're also, you know, you can plug it in. And then we have one of these, I'm not exactly sure what kind of jack these are, but I know you can use them to DJ and stuff, and some, what is it called? Some devices actually you can use this kind of jack. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's kind of cool that they added that in. And that looks like that's the only contents inside this bag, and that's how the bag looks. It's just like a regular drawstring bag, which is really nice that they gave us this, so we can keep all our cables and stuff in, you know, one little area. So hopefully these headphones are already charged. I hope I don't have to actually charge these, because I didn't really check that out. It looks like the aux cable and the what is it called? The USB cable is gold plated, so that's really nice. And we're actually gonna test out. Let's test out the Bluetooth functionality first before we test out the aux cable in. So let's actually look at these headphones, because you guys haven't, you know, checked it out yet. So you can actually fold these headphones like that. So they kind of have like a swivel on them, so you can actually rotate them, which is really nice, because, you know, sometimes you want one ear in, but you don't want the other one, you know, in. So you can actually spin it around, which is really nice. I actually like that a lot. And on the side here, we have a few buttons, and this is where you would charge your headphones. That's the aux cable, the aux input slot, or whatever spot you would plug the aux cable in. And then we got buttons on the side, I'm guessing for the Bluetooth functionality. And then on right here, we also have the active noise canceling button, or what is it called, like a little switch that if you would turn on, like, you would actually cancel a lot of noise around you, and you won't have to hear the noise around you, which I like a lot. And yeah, so let's actually test out the Bluetooth functionality. We have so many things that came with these headphones. Holy cow. We're gonna actually put this to the side right here, so I can actually show you guys the Bluetooth functionality. So we're gonna bring out the iPad, and hopefully these will, you know, will connect pretty fast. So I'm on YouTube right now, but first we actually have to go to the settings on my iPad, and hopefully if I just click on the middle button, that will, you know, give it into the, put it into that Bluetooth functionality. So let's see. Let me turn it on. Okay. I hear it. Okay. It says power on and pairing. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what name this is going to pop up. I'm pretty sure if you have like any questions, or if you're confused on how to use these, you would actually have to read the manual. But I think we might be able to figure this out without the manual. So we're going to see if we can actually connect to these. So Bluetooth, and let's see. I'm not seeing anything yet. Oh, okay, there we go. SE7. Okay. Let's see. Connected. Okay, connected. You guys heard that. Okay. Ooh, I'm actually, this is actually really nice. It looks like it has that, you know, voice command stuff, which is really cool. So right now we're actually on our YouTube channel. But first on, you know what? Let's actually put these on and see how they feel. Oh, dang. Okay, first off the bat, there is noise canceling. I can hear like my voice actually kind of getting muffled. The ear pads, they do feel really nice. They're really comfortable. They're really squishy, which I really like, because I'm getting tired of headphones that the ear muffs are not big enough, or like they're not soft enough, like they're too hard on your ears. And I like how these ones are actually kind of like, once you put them on, it kind of fits to what your ear is like, which is really good. I give them a A+ for that. Yeah, really nice headphones. I like the design and everything. So now we're gonna actually go to our channel and actually test out these headphones with one of our videos. So hopefully my volume's not high. And I'm gonna test these out. Okay, I'm gonna slowly turn up the volume and see how these sound. It's good. You guys don't even hear, like, do you guys even hear the audio? But anyways, I'm gonna put this up against the microphone so you guys can hear it. Okay, so these headphones are actually really good. I don't think you guys can hear what I'm listening to, which is good. You know, they sound nice. I just paused the video. They sound really nice. I'm guessing some of these buttons should work. And it looks like if the volume's too high up, it will actually give you, it'll give you that, like, you know, that, like, I don't know what it's called. Like, it's like kind of like a beep, letting you know that the volume's at the highest that it can go. So, which is really nice. So it kind of indicates and tells you that, oh, you're at the highest. You can't go any higher with the volume. So if I, click on the volume button, because right now it's already high, you hear that beep. So it's kind of like an indicator telling you that, you can't go any louder than what it is already, which I really like. You know what? Let's test out the active noise canceling, which is like that little switch I showed you guys earlier. We're going to test that out too. But first off, let me just play it and then I'm going to switch it. I'll tell you guys when I switch it. Okay, I'm going to switch it right now. Right, well, give me 1 second. Okay, when I switch the active noise canceling thing, the audio actually sounds better than I didn't click on it, which is a little weird, but I guess that's a good thing. And you guys, I don't think you guys can still hear the music and stuff. I'm gonna put it against the mic again. And yeah, these are really good. Okay, so now we're gonna actually test out the aux cable with these headphones and see how those also sound. And I'm guessing, you know what? Let's just plug it into my iPad, I guess. So we're gonna open this aux cable up. And take this little thing off. It's kind of like a thing to like keep it all together. And we're gonna plug it into the iPad here and see how the sound compares with the Bluetooth. So actually, what I'm gonna do is actually turn off my Bluetooth real quick. Hopefully, it lets me. Okay. Okay, I turned off my Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth is off. Okay, we're gonna plug the aux cable in now. Okay, I just plugged it in. So now we're gonna test these headphones and see if the audio sounds better or worse with the aux cable. It should sound better actually. So we're gonna test it. Sounds good. I'm gonna try the active noise canceling now too. Yeah, these headphones sound better when you actually turn on the active noise canceling for some reason. But that's a good thing, you know? So, you know, these headphones are really good. And oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys this. You can actually turn them around. I know I said it, but I forgot to show you. You guys can turn it around like this, which is really nice. You know, I don't know if, not many people notice, but, you know, I do DJ, so I could actually use these and kind of like, you know, turn around like this and have one of the other side, you know, turn around like this so I can actually, you know, DJ better, which is really nice. I like how you can turn this little swivel thing and you can actually like have one side in and one side out kind of, which is really a good feature that Cowin decided to add with these headphones. I really like it. So yeah, guys, that's basically my impression with these headphones. So we're gonna actually make our final reflections and rate these headphones. So yeah, guys, this was my review with Cowin SE7 active noise canceling wireless headphones. These headphones are really good. Like, I mean, they are a little expensive compared to the other two that I reviewed on this channel. But if you're looking for decent headphones that you know you're not gonna have any issues with, and you want something sturdy but not, you know, too, you know, I don't know, kind of not strong enough. These ones are really strong. The quality of these are really good. You're not gonna break them anytime, you know. And I've heard that you can actually take off the ear pads and actually replace them if you needed to, which is really nice. And yeah, this is my public review of Cowin SE7 active noise canceling wireless headphones. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully I persuaded you or gave you enough information to actually get these. I think these headphones are really nice. You can actually extend them and they'll fit your ears, you know, hopefully. No, but these are really big. They'll fit your ears. And yeah, these are really nice. I really like it. The packaging was really nice. It even comes with a case that you can use to travel with and put your headphones in and you won't get any damage with them. You know, the case is really durable and has a hard kind of like top and bottom to it. So you're not gonna break these headphones anytime. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I gave you guys insight, or if you were thinking of getting these, I hopefully like this gave you more information on these headphones. And yeah, guys, make sure to also leave a like and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. And if you're a business owner or if you're a company and you would like to actually send me your products, please email me. Down in the description below is my business inquiries email. That's where you guys can actually hit me up and tell me, oh yeah, can you check this out for us? And yeah, I'll check it out for you. So thank you, Cowin, for actually, you know, providing these headphones for me. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please subscribe, like, follow us on our social medias. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys for watching this video. And have a good rest of your day.